for today's video. Mom gives me an apple, but she's so annoying. She is teasing me. I'm trying to reach the apple. Mom, please. I want it so bad. Oh, finally. Thank you, Mommy. But I want more. Oh, look at her. Here she goes again. Mommy, please stop. Give it to me now. Oh, wait, look at my legs. I have a long leg. Oh my. When are you gonna give it to me? I'm getting pissed off, Mommy. Grrrrrrrrrrrr. I'm mad now, Mommy. Oh goodness. I think I better go. Are you gonna give it to me or not? Okay, I'm leaving, Mommy. Wait, but I really want it. Please, Mom. Oh, thank you. Bye-bye.